Welcome to your guide on navigating Texas estate asset discovery. Being an executor is a big task, but we are here to walk you through it. As an executor, you may feel hit by a brick wall of privacy laws. Don't panic. Texas law provides workarounds. Taking on the executor role is a vital responsibility, but I know it can feel overwhelming right at the start. Under Chapter 151, if you have a key, you can request a supervised opening to extract critical estate documents. Under Chapter 153, we can petition the court to compel banks to release balance info if you need to qualify for a small estate affidavit. Use the IRS to do the heavy lifting. Their records are a direct map to the estate's wealth. By submitting Form 56 and Form 4506T, we pull tax transcripts that act as a map to hidden assets. We run forensic credit reports to see auto loans, mortgages, and credit card debts, which help confirm existing assets. Never underestimate a thorough physical search of the home to find missing assets. Forward the mail immediately to catch statements and trace mystery keys before storage units are auctioned. Locate royalty stubs and file an executor's deed so funds aren't surrendered to state unclaimed property. Register livestock brands and reapply for 1D1 open space tax exemptions to avoid retroactive rollback taxes. Next, we move to identifying life insurance and securing digital footprints. Use the free NAIC policy locator and check with former employers for any forgotten group life insurance policies. Under Texas RUFADAA, tech companies can provide email metadata if the will authorizes it. For crypto assets, sweep the home for hardware wallets or handwritten seed phrases. Finally, we address potential unclaimed funds held by the state. Visit ClaimItTexas.gov and search all legal and maiden names. You can claim these funds directly for free. Being an executor is a big task, but with this roadmap, you are actively protecting your family's legacy. I'm here to help.